Okay, here we are. Elijah's gonna put on some nice looking exhaust here. That's pretty cool. And what brand is this?
It's a Nameless axle back exhaust.
Okay, cool. And we're gonna go ahead and just bolt off the old one and...
That's all you need.
Okay.
M14.
All right. Sounds good.
The bolts can be pretty tight, so you might need a breaker bar.
Okay.
And then, if you can get under here, can you see the, here, let me film.
Yeah.
There's a nut there, and then there's still on that side. This is the stock exhaust right now. Weighs 26 pounds. We'll be getting rid of.
So we have the new exhaust on. See the difference between the new one and the old one. Okay. Now this one basically, if you look underneath here, there's pretty much no muffler. The old one has, can't see it too well. Yeah, you can see it fine. There's a huge muffler. So we're gonna get a lot more action here with the pipe and exhaust. Elijah is taking off, removing one of the nuts and bolts from the current exhaust, and he had to use a breaker bar on the first one. We're not sure if he needs to use a breaker bar on this one, but it's kind of nice because the hangers are, they're rubber hangers and they're very flexible because the car's only about a year old. If you wait 10 years, then you're going to have...
Is Tiger throwing up?
Probably.
Weird.
If you wait 10 years, those hangers are going to be really stiff, so it's kind of nice to work on it when it's relatively new. So it's going to be a little bit of an effort. I'm just going to use the breaker bar right there and see if you can get that added leverage to loosen that. And he just did. There we go. Nice work, Elijah. So he's got one more nut to do on the other side off that bolt. All right, so Elijah just got done putting on new exhaust, removed the old mufflers, and it used to have a pretty low rumble, not too loud.
What do you think?
Sounds great. Nice improvement, nice throaty roar. And you lost some weight, so you have better performance. Good job, son. You did.